Samsung's OLED touchscreen could come to future Galaxy Buds. Samsung Display showcased a prototype of a small and circular OLED panel that could fit inside a charging case of wireless earbuds. Called Earbuds OLED Case, the circular OLED panel on the top can display things like the battery level of the earbuds and the case, audio mod, chucked and the status of ANC. More things can be adjusted right from the case rather than opening up the Earbuds app on a paired device. Users can also switch to another device. This is a really interesting and practical technology that Samsung has showcased. A similar touchscreen case is already available on wireless earbuds from JBL, which is owned by Harman Group, which is a Samsung Electronics subsidiary. We fully expect Samsung to bring a similar touchscreen case to Galaxy Buds models in the future. Yes, there is a chance of software dependency and that software that handles a touchscreen case getting phased out. But these wireless earbuds can only be used for 4 or 5 years before they need battery replacement, and by that time, people stop using them. So, software dependency won't be an issue by then.